What's up everyone, GT here today, and we are unboxing Strange Brigade for the Xbox One. So this is new release Tuesday, brand new game, and we're about to check it out, see what's inside. And if there's a code, I will give that to y'all, because you know me, GT always likes to give away the codes because we're using number one. I don't use the codes, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what's inside the box. Damn, this game looks pretty dope. Look at the little mummy, looks like a zombie. You got freaking, man, talking about Indiana Jones here. Quick glimpse of the back cover, a rip-roaring adventure. So, yeah, I hope this game's fun. A lot of people recommended this game for me to pick it up, so that's what I did. I picked this up, and I also picked up another game for the PS4, which I will be doing unboxing as well here shortly. So let's go ahead and check out Strange Brigade. And you've got to be shitting me. There's nothing in the box. Nada. Look at that. Nothing. This thing is like by itself. Oh my god. Our game developers, creators, makers going cheap on us, guys. No paperwork, no flyers, nothing. But anyways, this is the disc, Strange Brigade. And here you have Indiana Jones. You got like a pirate. You got some chick. And you got a dude with a pistol. And as I mentioned before, there's nothing inside the box, pretty much empty. If you can see here closely, remove this cover sheet for important game and safety information. I get the point, they're saving paper by printing stuff like this in the back, but you know, I kind of want to have stuff inside the box, and there's nada. As I mentioned before, a rip-roaring adventure. This is blast your way through a thrilling campaign set in the 1930s Egypt, full of terrifying traps, malevolent monsters, and puzzling predicaments. Or should I say malevolent or malevolent? How do you say that? I don't know how to say that. I don't know. I guess my English is all fudged up. But anyways, this is an Xbox One, and it's 4K Ultra HD, high dynamic range, Xbox single player, Xbox Live co-op multiplayer. And of course, this does require 35 gigs of storage to play this game or to download it to your Xbox. And I know people have been asking me lately, GT, why don't you download it digitally? And for my reason why I don't do that is because I prefer having a disc. So if one day I want to sell the disc, I can sell it and I can make money. I can't really sell a digital copy of the game because I don't know. From what I've been told is you can't really sell digital copies of games to people or try to make money or resell. That's what I've been told. I could be wrong. If you know any more about this than me, comment below and let me know what's going on with that. But yeah, I'm strictly gonna stick with buying the physical copies, and that's why I have a huge collection of Xbox One games. So that's it, pretty much it. Strange Brigade, Xbox One X, by Rebellion, and there's nothing to it. And a lot of people ask me, what kind of knife or blade are you using, GT? This is a Husky, box cutter, I guess. You know, I've had this for like 2 years, and it's been my little trusty sidekick. Although I know you've seen in videos other blades, but I don't know. I decided to use this because I like the wham, wham, and yeah, I almost cut myself. So I guess that's it. But anyways, thank you guys and gals for watching Strange Brigade unboxing. I will be doing another unboxing of another video. I will be doing another unboxing of another video game. It's for the PS4, so we'll check that out. This is new release Tuesday for August 28th. And next week we got Spider-Man, and I think a few days later we got Tomb Raider. And I am picking those up, and wait till you see what edition of Spider-Man I got. Did I get the PS4 version, or did I get the collector's edition? Thank you guys and gals for watching. Once again, I'm GT signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.